Now I'd like to introduce Sarah Block, who will share more about our coalition members.
Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good day. We're so happy to be sharing this event with you. Okay, here we are. Our coalition is made up of 60 members. We have members from 20 different nations that are represented. We have come together during this time. Resuming my screen. We've come together during this time to join together, as David mentioned, to use this as an opportunity to rebuild a new world. We have only met, many of us, through Zoom, over the internet, over email exchanges, but this has been a really beautiful time to be together, to share ideas, share our voices, share our fears, our hopes, and our dreams. And we're so excited to have each of you here today to join into that conversation. We, as coalition members, come from various industries and backgrounds, from authors, artists, nonprofit leaders, educators, activists, students, journalists, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, immigrants, professionals, paraprofessionals, and volunteers. I also want to quickly share what I just shared in Spanish as well.